Here today I'll show you the components of the coil ignition system and their functions. The first one is battery, and this battery is responsible to supply 12 volt to the ignition switch or to the system. Second one is ignition switch, which is responsible to close and open the current which is passing through this cable. And here is the resistor, which is called ballast resistor, which is responsible to protect the ignition coil. What you call this one? Ignition coil. And this part is the heart of the ignition system, and which is responsible to upgrade 12 volt of uh, voltage up to 20,000 volts, and this volt is passing through this cable, which is called high tension cable, and it passes to this port, and this port is called a distributor. Why it calls distributor? Because it distributes this high amount of voltage to the desired spark plug. So this one is this a spark plug, and distributor have many components. This one, as you can see here, this part is what you call a condenser and or capacitor, which is responsible to protect the other component, which is found in here, what you call a contact breaker. And this contact breaker is responsible to open and close this wire, okay, this wire, which is mainly used to have a ground this primary coil, and to be protect to having a ground. So we control the ignition system by this contact breaker here, and also other rotating shaft here, which is controlled, or which is run by camshaft. And also there is another part which is called here rotor, and this rotor is connected within this high tension cable by spring loaded rod are available here, and this rotor is mainly rotating by camshaft, and which the function of this rotor is to distribute for specific spark plug the required amount of high tension cable. So this is the components of ignition system. Well, the other part what I have missed is this one, which is called vacuum advance, and it's mainly responsible to advancing the ignition system depending on the amount of vacuum which is created in the intake manifold. So those I have listed here is that the components of ignition system. So thank you for watching for today. If you have any question, you can write on the comment section. So this is the components of the ignition system. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.